Good afternoon, it's Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty, and this afternoon I'm at an open house today in Richmond near the marina, and I'm at an address that I'm promoting for sale at 1503 Jetty Drive, and it's in the Anchorage Homeowners Association. These are newer townhouse style condo units. This one in particular that I'm promoting happens to be one of the larger floor plans. It's 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 1,712 square feet in living space. Each bedroom has a bathroom, so 3 suites plus a guest bathroom and a 2-car garage. Built in 2009, has $364 a month HOA fees, and for the most part covers the exterior, common area grounds, which are just absolutely beautiful here. And the location is prime, just right off the freeway and very close to retail. So I'll take you inside and see what you think. So this will be the main entrance. It's a 3-story structure, so you got towering ceilings. It's a very tall unit. Indoor laundry downstairs. Washer and dryer will be included with the purchase. There's a 2-car garage. So utilities are down here, water heater, has sprinklers. Take you out here and show you the back side. It's a really nice community. Nice spacious 2-car garage. Most noted thing are the custom cabinets that have been installed. Always great for additional storage. And the sprinkler system is right there. And then most noted also is the downstairs suite. Good for guests, in-laws, or even a potential rental if you want to rent out a room. Also has a front patio out front. All the closets primarily have these modular shelves and racks. Full bathroom downstairs, shower over tub. Just painted the interior, installed new carpeting, and then I'll take you up to the next level. So there's plantation shutters throughout. This is the view out the back. Dual pane windows, obviously. This area here would probably be for formal dining. And then you have a guest bathroom here. Just a half bath. Storage. Really an oversized kitchen area. The 5-burner gas stove. Oven. Built-in microwave. Granite counter. A lot of surface counter If you like to cook, this is just a great area to hang out. And then you have the living room area here. Give you an idea of how big this area is. Just kind of a unique design because you got this kind of like this balcony that hangs over the entrance. Just a lot of open area. And then up to level 3. So up here you have 2 suites. One's primary, one's a junior. This room is a junior suite. And 9-foot ceilings throughout. Has central air, central heat, and then this is the primary suite. Dual vanity. Sunken tub, shower stall, and then walk-in closet with modular storage. That should be access up into the attic. And then this is the third and final bedroom. Probably the largest bedroom of the 3. So it's ready for sale. It's a big open floor plan. I'm pretty sure this is probably the largest floor plan in this association. 1503 Jetty Drive here in Richmond at the Richmond Marina. My name is Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. It's 510-506-8686. And thank you for viewing today.